are making a lot of moves. The best overlap is the London into the New York. This is where the pounds, the euros, and the USDs are making all of their moves and major news releases are happening. To find which of the market sessions are open and overlapping in your time zone, feel free to visit Forex Time Zone Converter to begin creating your trading routine. This is going to conclude our training on when is the best time to trade in the FX market. We hope you found it informational, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, man. So this man Devin, that dude, finna get back into this trading game, man. I've been gone for a minute, but coming up off the bench, and it's about to get crazy. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right.